Hello everyone, and welcome to the FlowZone instructional series. In this video, we'll be replacing a circuit board. Let's get started.
For this process, you will need a knife, a pair of pliers, and a Phillips head screwdriver. First, remove the battery from the sprayer. Then, using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw securing the cover plate. It may be helpful to use a flashlight to locate the screw in each crevice. Loosen the strain relief fitting and gently set the cover plate aside. Next, unscrew the battery holster and detach it from the tank. Then, using your fingers or a pair of pliers, gently remove the wires connected to the battery holster. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the diaphragm pump for access to the wires connecting the pump and circuit board. Using the knife, carefully slice the protective tape around the connection point. Disconnect the circuit board from the diaphragm pump and slide the wires out from under the pump. Next, you will need to disconnect the circuit board from the power dial. Using the knife again, carefully slice the protective tape and disconnect the wires. Once the old circuit board has been removed, you can follow the same steps in reverse to install the replacement. First, connect the wires on the replacement circuit board to the variable dial connector. Next, reconnect the pump and route the wires under the pump before installing the screws that secure the pump to the tank. Attach the circuit board wires to the proper connection points on the battery holster. Take note of the color of the wires. Then, place the battery holster back into position and secure it. Insert a battery into your sprayer and test it for power. If the sprayer starts up and operates normally, slide the circuit board into the intended slot and reattach the cover plate of your sprayer.
Thanks for watching. If you're still experiencing issues with your sprayer, please reach out to our live support team. We are available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern. You can contact us through live chat on our website, fcspray.com. Call us at 803-339-2500 or email us at support@wessel.com. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our channel for other instructional videos and FlowZone content.